नेशनल अवार्ड विनर कोंकणा सेन एक्टिंग की लाइन में तो अपना कमाल दिखा ही चुकी हैं, लेकिन अब डायरेक्शन की फील्ड में भी अपना कमाल दिखाने के लिए तैयार है। जी हाँ, हाल ही में डेथ इन द गंज डायरेक्शन फील्ड में कदम रखने जा रही हैं कोंकणा सेन। हाल ही में इस फिल्म का फर्स्ट लुक हुआ है लॉन्च। इस फिल्म की फर्स्ट लुक को गुलजार साहब और डायरेक्टर विशाल भारद्वाज ने किया लॉन्च। फर्स्ट लुक लॉन्च करने के बाद गुलजार और विशाल भारद्वाज ने डायरेक्शन के बारे में कुछ बातें बताई।
मैं मुबारकबाद दे रहा हूँ जिन्होंने ये पहला कदम उठाया है और बड़े खूबसूरती से और हिम्मत से उठाया है, जो उसको परवरिश के साथ उठाया, अच्छे अच्छे मेहमानों को बुलाया। आप सबको मुबारकबाद। और कैमरे के सामने जो कुछ इनसे करवाया जाता था, अब यहाँ इस बार डायरेक्टर बताएंगे कि अब हम आपके साथ क्या सलूक करने वाले हैं। आपने जो कुछ हमारे साथ किया हम सबको है ना, मुबारकबाद। को मुबारकबाद, की पहली पिक्चर है, पहली डायरेक्शन। आई विश हर ऑल द बेस्ट। डायरेक्शन में आदमी अक्सर दुबला हो जाता है।
Actually, we have all learned together. We have all grown together. It's not that कि इन्होंने मेरी इंडस्ट्री हम सब ने साथ में सीखा, मैं भी सीख रहा था, ये भी सीख रहे। मुझे बहुत खुशी है, कई सारी खुशियाँ। एक तो ये कि अपने पैरों पर खड़े हो रहे हैं। I think the only way to make films in this industry is by becoming a producer. और दूसरी खुशी ये है कि अब इस तरफ आए उस तरफ मजा आएगा, तो पता चलेगा डायरेक्टर क्या करते हैं।
मुझे अभिषेक ने कहा था कि विशाल जी के साथ काम करते थे, उन्होंने एक देखो सबसे पहले तो लिखना सीखो, अगर डायरेक्टर बनना है तो लिखना सीखो। राइट, वैसे जब हमने लिखना सीख लिया, अब डायरेक्टर हो गए, तो फिर हमने कहा तो प्रोड्यूसर होना सीखो, उसके बढ़कर ये काम पूरा नहीं होगा। आई थिंक they have the right kind of a guide with them and they have taken the right steps.
फिल्म डेथ इन द गंज में विक्रांत मैसे, कल्कि कोचली, गुलशन देवया, तनुजा मुखर्जी और ओमपुरी जैसे एक्टर नजर आएंगे। ये फिल्म नए उम्र की सोच के ऊपर बेस्ड है। वैसे कोंकणा की इस नई शुरुआत में उनके एक्स हस्बैंड रणवीर शौरी ने भी उनका साथ दिया। रणवीर ने यहाँ कोंकणा के उनकी नई शुरुआत के लिए उन्हें बधाई दी।
No, I think as an actor, because she's such a fabulous actress, she understands what actors go through. She's very gentle and empathetic and almost tender, I would say, which is a rare quality in a director. I think I've known about the script for much longer than the rest of the guys, and I even when she had not thought about making a film, I had told her that she should, because she just has a fabulous eye. You should see some of the photographs that she takes, and I've always been looking forward to this. I didn't know I would be part of it, but I'm glad that she's finally directing.
हम आपको बता दें, कोंकणा और रणवीर शौरी का हाल ही में म्यूचुअल अंडरस्टैंडिंग से डिवोर्स हुआ है। दोनों ने ट्विटर पर इसकी घोषणा करी थी। खैर, इस लॉन्च में पहुंचकर रणवीर ने अपने प्यार को सपोर्ट भी किया है। फिल्म का फर्स्ट लुक रिवील होने के बाद फिल्म के एक्टर्स एंड डायरेक्टर्स ने मीडिया से इंटरेक्ट भी किया।
My experience on the first day, shoot, yet to come. Being the captain of the ship, how easy or difficult it was to handle the crew. See, the shoot actually hasn't started yet, so that remains to be seen. But if the workshops were any indication, then I think it will be tough to handle all of them together. But they're a great bunch of people, and it's been super fun actually working with them already, because I'm getting a sense of what it will be like on set. And they have a lot of energy, and I think most of them just all know each other from before and are already friends, which also helps.
Yeah, the next one. Person in the cap.
Hi, this is Ravi. I just want to know कि वो exact कौन सा point था जब आपको लगा कि आपको director बनना चाहिए actor से? कई actors होते हैं जो director बनते हैं, लेकिन कुछ inspiration होता है उसके पीछे, और आपके favorite directors कौन है हिंदी सिनेमा?
I don't know. And honestly, I never wanted to be an actor either, and I never thought I wanted to be a director. But it's just that this particular story had fascinated me for so long, and the story had been with me for so long. I didn't think that I would be able to write a script either. But the whole thing just kind of started becoming bigger and bigger in my head. And at some point, I just knew that, oh, this is how it's going to be. I'll have to write it. I'll have to direct it. Because I don't think that you can explain the whole thing in your head to somebody else either, the way it is in the film in your head. I mean, of course, now one has to. It's so lovely that I have so many people to share that with. But I think that's why, because I just felt the need. I don't feel the need to ever make another film. But this particular one, I feel like I have to share. ये please आपके
कई डायरेक्टर्स का नाम ले सकते हो
बहुत लंबा लिस्ट है
हाय कोंकणा अखिलेश हियर फ्रॉम TV24 सबसे पहले आपको बधाई हो और फिल्मों में तो एक्टिंग करते हुए आपको सभी ने देखा और सभी का अपना दिल जीता एज ए डायरेक्टर कहते हैं कि जब जवाबदारी बढ़ गई है आपकी एज ए डायरेक्टर और जब जवाबदारी का बोझ कंधे पे पड़ता है तो अक्सर बचपन याद आ जाता है तो आपको एज ए डायरेक्टर ऐसा कुछ लग रहा है कि बचपन याद आ रहा है
एज ए डायरेक्टर बचपन याद आ रहा है कि नहीं I think if anything I've aged I've just aged in the last month or so but with stress बचपन नहीं याद आ रहा है सच a little bit I guess I'm remembering being on set with my mother etc but not really also the film is set in I don't think we mentioned that the film is set in 1978-79 so that's been very interesting that's just such a fun thing to add to everything that it's set in 78-79 which is such a different world and it's not set in a big city so it's set in a Ganj like McLeodganj or an Andrews Ganj. So it's set in a Ganj, and it's not. So it's a very specific milieu. It's a specific time. It's a specific place. So that is what is most exciting to me. You must talk to other cast members also.
एक और सवाल मेरा आपसे रहेगा एक और सवाल कोंकणा जब आप स्क्रीन पे एक्टिंग करती हैं या परफॉर्म करती हैं तो आंखें ही नहीं बल्कि सांसें भी थम जाती हैं लोगों की दर्शकों की तो ये आप कैसे कर लेती हैं
Comes naturally.
कोंकणा किस
मुझे
तरह
पता चलेगा.
और रणवीर आपसे जानना चाहेंगे कि डायरेक्शन के लिए आप तैयार हैं कोंकणा आपको डायरेक्ट करने वाली है
कोशिश किया है कि मैं करूं अब जब कोई इतना इंसिस्ट करे डायरेक्टर और खास करके जब डायरेक्टर आपके बच्चे की माँ हो तो
So we can say actually we're actually producing another baby together. We can say that. But Tanuja ji, talking to you, आपने of course
कितना अलग है बहुत ही अलग है जब हम लोग कभी रिहर्सल्स करते नहीं थे हम लोग कभी वर्कशॉप्स करते नहीं थे हमारे डायरेक्टर साहब जो आते थे वो हमारे पास आते थे सेट पे आराम से आते थे एंड इट वाज नॉट एज प्रोफेशनल एज इट इज टुडे एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू सी दैट इट इज प्रोफेशनल It's a good idea to have these workshops and to be so that we meet the cast and the crew together. And it's like the whole team is making the film. It's not just the producer or the director or an individual actor. It's all the actors together. It's all the teamwork. So I am very happy with this. Thank you.
Nice. You know, I think, yeah, we haven't started, but it's been great because I think Coco is very much treating this like her baby. So she's spending unusual amounts of time with us, like really patiently sitting with us with like things like the Bengali accent, you know, which you don't get the luxury of doing with your directors very often. And as for my cast, I've worked with most of them before. You know, we've done plays together, we've done films. So it's very comfortable. I think we're going to have a lot of fun. And Coco's half her job is going to be disciplining us on set and, you know, making sure we get to bed on time.
Who is the naughtiest? We want to know who is the naughtiest.
Ranveer Shore, of course. Yeah.
Okay, Vikrant,
Yeah.
you have started from TV probably, and now you're working with some of the biggest names in the film. How you see your transition?
Sorry, come again?
ये जो आपने प्रगति की है टीवी से फिल्मों की तरफ और अब आप बड़े लोगों के साथ काफी प्रसिद्ध लोगों के साथ काम कर रहे हैं, कैसा अनुभव कर रहे हैं आप ये बदलाव?
It's unbelievable. ये जाहिर सी बात है कि जैसे आपने कहा मैंने टीवी से शुरुआत की थी और आज मैं फिल्म में कर रहा हूँ. They are probably जितने भी लोग यहाँ पे हैं आप देख रहे हैं, they are probably the best around in the business. So you just can't get better than this. Really excited, as Konkana said. You know, if the workshops are an indication to go by, like all of us will have a lot of good fun. Or it's also a challenge because we are recreating an era. 79 में based है. So everybody, if you know, we come together to do something good, and hopefully we do that.
So how will you be working like a doll like Kalki? So you are prepared?
Yeah, it feels great. It feels great. It's a massive challenge as well because.
You have romantic. ऐसा कुछ है?
Yeah, आपका सवाल मुझे सुनाई नहीं दिया.
Or you have romantic overtones with her in the film?
I think we should wait for the film, but yeah, I am paired opposite her with her, and it's a great challenge for me also because she's one of the finest, as I said, around, or that will only get the best out of me. So I'm really keep my fingers crossed and let's see how it goes.
Vishal ji? Vishal ji, sir.
Okay. Page. Abhishek, Honey.
टीवी वाली बात ना.
Can you please have the crew as well on the stage?
रोल करना था विजुअल. हाँ ठीक है.
Shishata.
टीवी वाला.
We have Shishori, Asima Ramapur, Subhash Yogi, our production designer, Rohit Chandra.
अरे भाई.
From here onwards, my work will carry on, but till now I've been blessed. That's the best I can say. Whatever I am, whoever I am, because of him.
I have a question for Tanuja ji. Tanuja ji, from the current crop of younger generation of actors, is there any one particular male and female actor whose work you really admire and look forward to?
Well, the actress that I do admire and I really enjoyed all her performances is Coco. I think she's a brilliant actress and I know that she's going to be a brilliant director. I also want to say one thing about her. I've been in this industry for a long time and I've heard a lot of scripts. She's the only director who has narrated the script to me and I have closed my eyes and have been able to visualize the entire film that she has written. So God bless her. And I know she's going to make a brilliant film.